Hey folks, today we're going to be making cardboard tessellations. A tessellation is a shape that can be tiled in any direction to continue a pattern. I started with a paper piece that has two semicircles cut out of it, tape those onto the ends, cut another semicircle out of it and tape that onto the other end. And these pieces fit together in a bunch of different ways. After you've created a prototype out of paper, you can move to cardboard. To do this, you can use the scanning function on the laser cutters, or you can try to design the piece in Beam Studio. Once you have your piece designed, you can cut out a whole bunch of them, and you can assemble them to see how they fit together and what kind of shape they make. If you want, you could keep this going for as long as you want, and then cut a square around it to create a big floor plan. Those are paper tessellations. What kind of shapes will you make?